It's hard to see, but opens on the side. I bought this to keep it clean, but it's huge. This is a normal paper towel size, so you can see as a reference. And I will run it 30 seconds. Stop. Clear. I will run it for 2 seconds so you can hear it beep. Oh, shoot, sorry. Okay. Only does 30 seconds. I didn't know that. But I'll let you hear it beep. Has a light option, which is wonderful. Fan. And it beeped. I hope you heard it. But the fan's very strong. The light is fabulous, very bright, and then dim.